Welcome to Chapter 3. We'll explore the physical environment of southeast Rajasthan, the Hadoti Plateau, focusing on its landscape, soils, climate, and rich vegetation that supports tribal communities. By the end of this chapter, you'll be able to identify major landforms, soils, forests, and climatic features that shape tribal life in this region. The Hadoti Plateau, the tribal heartland, lies along the Chambal River's floodplain, covering about 9.6% of Rajasthan across Bundi, Kota, Baran, and Jalwar districts. Topographically, the plateau features sandy uplands, broad depressions of fertile black soil, and slopes draining north to the Chambal and its tributaries, Kalasindh, Parvati, Ahu, and more. The eastern edge is the Vindhya Scarp land, sandstone hills, 360 to 590 meters, shaped into blocks, ridges, and gorges that give rise to many Chambal tributaries. In the south and west, the Deccan Lava Plateau or Uparmal presents a broad stony highland interrupted by river-formed alluvial basins, ideal for agriculture where soils accumulate. The Mukundra Hills, a 145 kilometers chain and part of the Aravallis, slice through central Hadoti. Two parallel ridges, separated by a forested gorge, create unique microclimates and feed small rivulets. Soils range from deep alluvium along rivers to black cotton soils in the south, reddish-brown uplands, and thin, stony loams on hill slopes, each garnering local crop and vegetation patterns. Vegetation is predominantly tropical dry deciduous, anagessus-dominated hill forests, mixed teak on lower slopes, and pockets of evergreen species like syzygium and bamboo along river banks. Key sanctuaries, Mukundra Tiger Reserve, Darra, Ramgarh Vishdhari, and others, preserve this floristic wealth and support wildlife in the Mukundra Aravalli arc. Climate is semi-arid, hot summers, up to 44 degrees Celsius, cool winters, 8 to 23 degrees Celsius, and monsoon rains, 600 to 990 mm, mainly from July to September, with occasional, Mawat, showers in winter. To recap, southeast Rajasthan's Hadoti Plateau features diverse landforms, varied soils, dry deciduous forests, a semi-arid climate, and a robust river network, forming the foundation for tribal ethnobotanical traditions. Southeast Rajasthan's Hadoti Plateau spans Bundi, Kota, Baran, and Jalwar, where sandy uplands, black soil valleys, and three distinct geological zones, the Vindhya Scarp, the Deccan Lava Uparmal, and the Mukundra Aravalli Hills, drain into the perennial Chambal and its tributaries. Soils from deep alluvium and black cotton to reddish-brown uplands support tropical dry deciduous forests, anagessus on hilltops, teak mid-slopes, and bamboo with syzygium along watercourses, harboring rich biodiversity. A semi-arid climate, scorching summers up to 44 degrees Celsius, cool winters near 8 degrees Celsius, and 600 to 990 mm of monsoon rain over about 45 days, shapes farming, grazing rotations, and water management. By understanding this tapestry of landforms, soils, forests, rivers, and climate, we see the environmental foundation that has sustained Rajasthan's tribal communities and their enduring ethnobotanical heritage.